You need animations for your company's videos. You need them to look good, you need them fast, and you'd rather not spend a fortune. Any freelancer worth their salt will tell you the same thing. Pick two. Fast and cheap won't be polished, polished and fast won't be cheap. Something always gives. But there's a new option now that combines the convenience of AI with the precision of programmatic design, and the result is that you can create pixel-perfect on-brand animations in minutes, and it only costs $20 a month. I'm Tom from XRAY, the workflow company. We've helped hundreds of organizations reclaim their time with AI and automation. Today, I'm going to show you how to make high-quality animations with Claude Design. Let's get into it.
Head to claude.ai/design and sign into your Claude account. You'll need a pro subscription or higher to use Design, so make sure you're on the right plan. When you land, you'll see a few templates to get you started fast. We want animation, so we'll choose that one. Now comes the part that matters most, your prompt. In your prompt, describe what you want Claude to create. Be specific. Note the resolution and the duration you need. Your animation can run up to 5 minutes, but we'll just ask for a few seconds. Include style notes and the kind of motion you're picturing, like how things should enter, move, and settle. You can also upload assets to use as reference, or to drop straight into the animation. These can be logos, icons, illustrations, or any other visual elements your brand uses. Next, pick your model. More powerful models and higher effort modes will get you better results, but they burn through credits faster. You should also keep in mind that Claude Design shares usage limits with the rest of Claude, so if you lean on it hard, watch your usage to make sure you've still got room for your other Claude work later in the day. Before we send this prompt, I've got one more tip to make sure you get the best results. Create a design system so Claude can replicate all of the important parts of your brand. This is XRAY's design system in Claude. It's a library of our fonts, colors, logos, icons, and more. Claude Design pulls from it to keep everything on brand, right down to editable text fields you can adjust after the animation is made. If you want to set one up, we walked through the whole process in an earlier video about Claude Design. That video is linked on your screen now. Once your prompt is ready, send it. It can take a while for your animation to finish, sometimes several minutes. You'll watch Claude think through the work and build your animation one step at a time. When it's finished, you can preview the result. If you want to make any adjustments, you can send another message to Claude describing the changes you'd like to see. It will start working on your changes right away, but it may take a couple minutes to finish up. You can also use the Tweaks option to add editable parameters to your animation. For instance, I'll add some tweaks so I can change the text of each label and change the opacity of the background elements. Once the tweaks are ready, I can edit those options using this little interface that Claude created. After a few more rounds of revision, I'm pretty happy with this animation. Once your animation is all set, you can export it by clicking on Share. Select Export, then choose Video. For now, the only available format is MP4, which means you can't directly export videos with transparency. If you need a transparent background, use the chat to ask Claude to export a PNG sequence instead. But be warned, this could take a while. In my case, Claude actually built a custom PNG exporter into the project. Your results may vary. Whatever format you use, your downloaded file will be ready to go straight into your video project.
Want to go deeper on building with Claude? The XRAY blog has hundreds of free tutorials on AI and automation. It's all the same stuff we use with clients every day. And if you'd rather not figure it out alone, book a session with XRAY Hourly. We'll pair you with a vetted expert who builds right alongside you on Zoom, walking you through your actual workflows while you learn how it all fits together. You leave with something that works, not just notes. Head to xray.tech/hourly to set up your first session. Remember that fast, cheap, and high-quality animation you couldn't have all at once? Claude Design is how you stop choosing. You just need an idea, a prompt, and a style guide, and you can get all three. So tell me in the comments, what are you building with Claude Design? Or if there's another AI tool you're using for media production, give it a shout out. We just might make a video about it soon. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe to the channel for more AI and automation updates every single week. You can also find me and my company XRAY by searching for XRAY Automation on nearly every social media platform. For now, I've got to go, so until next time, find your focus and stay in flow.